It's politics over economics yet again. With just one day to go for the winter session to come to an end, looks like the Modi government's reform agenda has taken the backstage, thanks to the ruckus in Parliament over the conversion row. This has effectively put key economic bills, including the insurance and the co-regulator bill, in the cold storage. Now, last week, the entire proceedings of the upper house was stalled after the opposition parties pushed the government into a corner over religious conversions, and today was no different.
The government had listed 64 bills in the current session, of which the Lok Sabha passed just 17. Worse is the case of the upper house, where the numbers are stacked against the government. All this has raised some big questions. How serious is the government in the reform business? Can the opposition justify blocking of key bills at a time when the economy is on a recovery path? More importantly, have reforms been held hostage by petty politics once again? In fact, the question also is, has the reform agenda paid the price for the Prime Minister's conspicuous silence? That's our top story on Business Tonight.
Charge, counter-charge, accusation, counter-accusation. The Rajya Sabha is a more ruckus house than the House of Elders, and Monday was going to be no different. Same old story, same old, no work. The conversion row rocked both houses of the parliament once again, with the united opposition protesting against Prime Minister Narendra Modi's silence. In fact, the opposition taunted Modi, saying India didn't need a 56-inch chest but a heart instead. Arun Jaitley, the leader of the House, asserts no notice for suspending work and debate arises.
जहाँ तक सदन में प्रस्ताव के डिस्कशन का सवाल है, जो इन्होंने मोशन दिया है, रूल 169. In order that a motion may be admissible, it shall satisfy the following condition. From Rule 6. It shall not revive a discussion on a matter which has been discussed in the same session.
Modi's team is under severe criticism for going ahead with the Ghar Wapsi agenda. In fact, a united opposition even decided to take Modi to task over other crucial issues like failure to retrieve black money, Modi's big port promise.
एक महीना के बाद हम रुपया लाएंगे 26.5 लाख करोड़। जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रधानमंत्री के उम्मीदवार थे और जो आज देश के आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री हैं, उन्होंने चुनाव सभाओं में ये बात हर जगह कही, लागत का 1.5 गुना मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस मिलेगा। आज क्या हुआ उस ऐलान का?
A logjam in Rajya Sabha means crucial legislations like the higher FDI insurance and GST amendment bill have been held to ransom. Experts are now worried that could the reform drive be derailed by the bitter political standoff between the Treasury benches and an adamant opposition? And has the PM silence come at a heavy price? Bureau Report, ET Now.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.